Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. And today, dessert is just gonna be something quick, simple, strawberry shortcake. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so for this strawberry shortcake, I'm just going to use some Duncan Hines cake mix. And I'm just gonna prepare this just like it is for the instructions on the box. That's all you have to do. Open it up real good. There we go. That's gonna be so good too. It's a quick, simple dessert. Like I said, I'm just preparing like it is on the box. The instructions like that. These 3 eggs, water. Get that mixed up. And I also have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. Okay, so now that I have the cake mix all mixed up and ready to go into my Bundt pan, I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 25 minutes. And while that's in the oven, then we'll prepare for the strawberry topping for this strawberry shortcake. Okay. Get this in the oven. Alright, and we'll be back. Alright, so for the strawberry topping, I'm just going to cut off the ends of the strawberries and cut them in half. It can be 3 or just in half, basically. You just want to get those cut up real good. And I'm going to go ahead and finish getting these cut up and then we'll be back. Okay, so I used about a pound of strawberries and I cut them in half. And then I'm just going to place them in my pot over here. Put that in there. And this strawberry topping is very easy to make. Now I want to use 1/4 cup of sugar. Alright, Jamal. And a couple of teaspoons of vanilla. That's all you need. And I'm just gonna put this on medium heat and stir that up until it gets thick. Hey, until it gets thick. All right, and we'll be back. All right, so the strawberries are starting to boil. And you just want to let these cook for about 18 to 20 minutes until thick. And they're already starting to make their juice, the syrup, to go on top of this cake. And it smells so good too. It's so easy to make. I have to make this more often. What you think?
It sounds good. It smells good.
All right, we're going to let that cook some more. And then I'm going to check on my cake here shortly and we'll be back. So the cake is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and make this strawberry shortcake. And I'm pretty sure my husband would love to be the taste test of this one.
Word.
So I just wanna take some of this cake and I'm gonna put some of this strawberry topping right on top of it. What I want to do is add a little bit of whipped cream. Let's try to double it up. We're going to play with it a little bit. Make it all pretty.
I like a double wheat hamburger.
I'll add a little bit more. Just let that juice Drip on there. Hey, that sounded so country. Drip on there. And whoop. It looks good, I can tell you that. Well, here it is. Strawberry shortcake. And I guess he's gonna go ahead and eat this because it's very moist and falling apart. But there you have it. I don't know if you can see that. Can you get that good?
Yes, yeah, sure.
Okay. And there it is. Strawberry shortcake. All right, so here we go. Strawberry shortcake. See that? All right. Y'all remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.